Before we begin, just make sure to subscribe to our channel Freshers Now and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest videos from Freshers Now.
Welcome back to another video from Freshers Now. Today's video is going to be about TCS National Qualifier Test, which is also called as TCS NQT. In this video, you are going to get all the information regarding TCS NQT. First off, let us know what are the test dates. The test dates are going to be on 18th and 19th of February 2021 and the registration will be closed on 10th of February 2021. So, please make sure that you fast up or speeden up your registration process as it is going to be closed by 10th of February 2021. Moving on, let us know what is the test actually about. Number 1 is candidates with the NQT score will be eligible to apply on the TCS Ion job listing portal. So, if you have the TCS NQT scorecard, then you can apply to any of the companies which are tied up with TCS. So, all you need is a valid NQT scorecard. Then, the mode of test. There will be in-centers for TCS Ion authorized exam centers. So, you don't need to worry about the atmosphere or the connections which you have through internet or anything of that sort. So, you can use the in-centers which will be provided by TCS Ion. Number 3 is 2-year validity of the NQT scorecard. So, once you get your scorecard, it will be valid for 2 years. So, you can use it up for your further applications of your jobs. And apply for any entry level job in any corporate with the NQT scorecard. So, you can apply for any entry level kind of jobs which in regards with the companies which are tied up with TCS. Then, now who can apply for these jobs? Candidates who have completed their UG or a post graduation and a diploma, all of these students, and also who are doing their pre-final or their final semester also can apply for TCS NQT. Then, students with any degree and specialization or discipline can also apply. Further, if you are a fresher with less than 2 years of experience, even you can apply for TCS NQT. Now, all the freshers are also welcome to apply. And please remember, the scorecard will be valid only for 2 years, even if you are a fresher as well. Please note that NQT score under cognitive skills is a prerequisite for all of the tests which will be conducted by TCS. Now, let us know what are the brands or the companies which are tied up with TCS. All of the brands which are seeing here on the screen are tied up with TCS. For example, Tata Consultancy Services, Tata Electronics, Titan Data Partners, and you have Chroma. All of these companies which you can see on the screen, all of these are tied up. So all of these brands will be opening up vacancies shortly, so you can apply for the entry level jobs as well. Now let us see what are the variants under TCS NQT. You have 3 sections here: NQT, Industry NQT and Subject NQT. Now if you go under the section of NQT, you will find again 2 categories. If you see the NQT category, you will know that the performance measure of cognitive skills which you will be tested upon. When you click the Know More button, you can see what are the subtopics or the topics that you need to consider for your preparation. So, under NQT category, we see the numerical ability, which consists of number system, arithmetic, elementary, statistics and data interpretation. Then for verbal ability, it's English grammar, reading comprehension. And for reasoning ability, it is identifying word and numerical patterns, problem solving, figuring and factual analysis, etc. So, once you click the Know More button, this window opens up for you and you can see what are the topics that you have to consider for your preparation. So, in this way, you can also see for the attitudinal alignment NQT, which is this is the assessment which is covering up work styles, personality traits which are relevant to your workplace and also for the entry level positions. Moving on to why TCS National Qualifier Test. It improves your eligibility quotient, then it also increases your visibility. Further, you can have unlimited attempts aligned with a number of industries as well, and it also has a very structured formative examination. So, with this National Qualifier Test, you can get an eligible scorecard which will be valid for all the brands and partners out there who are partnering with TCS. Then, how do you start your journey for your dream job? Number 1 and the first step that you have to do is take up that registration process. Then select that TCS NQT variant which you are eligible or desirable for, and then you have to take up the test, get your scorecard, and as I've mentioned already, your scorecard will be valid for 2 years, and then you can apply for corporate jobs as per the eligibility criteria which will be mentioned by the job roles. Further, if you come down to the end of the screen, you can see the FAQ section where all of the basic questions or mostly answered questions will be answered for you in point wise. You can take note of it if you have or if you need more information regarding TCS NQT. The first question that we have is, what is TCS National Qualifier Test? What it is all about? So as you can see, a number of points are mentioned here, so you can read all these points. NQT is the mandatory test which you have to be taken for registering under the industry of NQT and also the subject of NQT. Further, these are the relevant and needed information that the candidate has to be aware of if you have any doubts or if you need further information. The next question we have, what is NQT and what it is actually stands for, what is the test is all about. So NQT is a general ability test which will assess the candidate's skills and also the subject knowledge. Okay, what is the subject knowledge that it is going to focus on? As we have already seen in the category section, you can see what are the different types of topics and the subtopics that you will be assessed under. It consists of verbal ability, reasoning ability and numerical ability. Also, you can see what are the different subtopics or the categorizations that the NQT will be consisting of, which means what is the section actually consist of. The section assesses different types of numerical patterns, problem solving, figural and factual analysis, decision making, and also proportional reasoning and visual speed reasoning, etc. So you can be well aware of this section especially so that you will have an idea as to what you have to include in your preparation in the first place. And then, what is attitudinal alignment of NQT? So this is a board which will be covering up your work styles and personality traits and also the disposition. So as we have seen in the second category of the variant section, so you can check out the variant section already. So that's the same question which is answered here in detail. Then comes, what is industry NQT? If you are heading over to the industry side of NQT, it will be assessing the awareness and also the understanding on specific industry, which consists of the following areas. What are those following areas which the industry NQT which will be standing for is industry structure, domains or subdomains, operative languages and processes and also the practices, then regulatory environment, specific businesses and technological trends, and also competitive landscape. So all of these following areas which are mentioned here in the answer section is very detailed to the candidates so that the candidates will not be misguided with any sort of misinformation which will be given for their preparation. So you can access it very easily, and this is a guiding tool for all the learners out there and all the candidates who are willing to join TCS anytime soon, or any of the partners or brands which are partnering with TCS. So if you take up this TCS NQT, your scorecard will be of a great use for all of the entry-level jobs and all of the jobs which you want to apply, which are partnering with TCS. I hope this video is helpful for you all. If you have any doubts or if you need any clarifications regarding this exam, you can put it down in the comment section below and we will answer your queries. Don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to Freshers Now for more learning and placement videos. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned by subscribing to our channel Freshers Now for more learning and placement videos.